InstaShower GO Pro. The Fogatti InstaShower GO Pro is a portable shower system designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just off the grid, this compact propane-heated system delivers hot water in seconds. With a powerful 22,000 BTU output, it provides 3.5 liters of hot water per minute, making it perfect for showering or cleaning dishes on the go. It also has a maximum temperature rise of 125 degrees Fahrenheit, with safety features to prevent accidental burns. One of its standout features is the built-in 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, which offers 80 minutes of usage on a full charge, ensuring you stay fresh in remote locations. It can also be charged via a 12-volt car cigarette lighter or portable power station. The adjustable shower head, automatic ignition system, and multiple spray settings offer convenience, while the compact design ensures it's easy to store and carry. For safety, it includes overheat, flame-out, and tilt protection. The InstaShower GO Pro is an excellent companion for any outdoor adventure. KiCA Jetfan 2.0 Electric Air Duster. The KiCA Jetfan 2.0 Electric Air Duster is a handy and eco-friendly alternative to canned air dusters. Weighing just 0.66 pounds, this palm-sized device is easy to handle and take anywhere. The two interchangeable nozzles, pointed and round, make it versatile enough to clean hard-to-reach areas like keyboards, laptops, and cameras. Its standout feature is the free speed control, allowing you to adjust the blower speed from 4.9 to 20 meters per second by sliding the trigger, giving you flexibility for different cleaning tasks. The brushless DC motor reaches up to 100,000 RPM, delivering powerful airflow, while the upgraded battery life ensures up to 4.5 hours of use on a single charge. Unlike disposable dusters, this device is rechargeable, environmentally friendly, and chemical-free. Whether you're cleaning electronics, inflating objects, or even drying surfaces, the KiCA Jetfan 2.0 is a multifunctional tool you'll want in your tech kit. CCV Compressed Air Duster. 15,000 RPM. The CCV Compressed Air Duster packs a punch with its 150,000 RPM motor, providing powerful airflow to clean dust and debris from various devices, including desktops, keyboards, and camera lenses. Its lightweight design, weighing just 350 grams, makes it portable and easy to use both indoors and outdoors. The included USB Type-C charging cable allows for fast charging, and the battery can last up to 100 minutes on a full charge, making it a great energy-efficient option. This device also comes with multiple accessories, such as a brush and storage bag, enhancing its versatility. Built with strong yet lightweight composite materials, the CCV Air Duster is durable and easy to handle. It's ideal for quick cleaning tasks in hard-to-reach areas and offers a sustainable alternative to traditional canned air dusters. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or drying surfaces, this powerful electric air duster is a reliable and eco-friendly solution. Compressed Air Duster 1000 RPM. The Compressed Air Duster 1000 RPM is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool. Its motor reaches 100,000 RPM, providing 3 speed modes to tackle dust and debris in different areas, including electronics, cars, and window frames. The adjustable wind speeds allow you to choose the right level for each task, making it ideal for both delicate electronics and more heavy-duty cleaning jobs. What sets this air duster apart is its eco-friendly and energy-efficient design. It can be recharged and reused, avoiding the waste of disposable compressed air cans. LED lights are integrated into the design, making it easy to clean dark or hard-to-see areas. Additionally, the device includes 5 nozzles and 3 brushes, giving you all the tools needed for multi-scene cleaning, whether it's for inflating items or reaching tight spaces. The device is also USB rechargeable, making it a highly practical and sustainable cleaning option for everyday use. ATEngeus Compressed Air Duster. The ATEngeus Compressed Air Duster is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for both home and office use. With a motor speed of up to 41,000 RPM, this electric duster effectively cleans tiny dust particles from computers, camera lenses, and other electronics. Its stepless knob switch design makes it user-friendly, allowing you to control the power and wind speed with ease. The nozzle and cleaning brush attachments ensure deep cleaning, making it ideal for precision tasks. This cordless air duster is lightweight at just 0.68 pounds, making it easy to carry around, whether you're cleaning at home or on the go. It's equipped with fast-charging technology via USB Type-C port and can work for 15 to 30 minutes on a full charge depending on the power used. Plus, it offers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional canned air, saving you money in the long run. Whether you need to clean your keyboard, pet house, or other delicate items, the ATEngeus Air Duster is a reliable solution. BAYU Auto Outdoor Smart Kit Pro. The BAYU Auto Outdoor Smart Kit Pro is a versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and car owners. This all-in-one kit comes with a 19,200 mAh power bank that supports 22.5 watts output, wireless charging, and a variety of other charging options, ensuring you're always powered up. The kit also includes a powerful car washer with 200 psi pressure, a 5-meter hose, and a 10-liter water bag, making car washing or garden watering a breeze. It also features a vacuum cleaner with 19,000 pH suction power and a 60-minute battery life for deep cleaning various surfaces. The tire inflator supports up to 150 psi and automatically stops when the set pressure is reached, ideal for cars, motorcycles, and even inflating sports equipment. The ultra-bright flashlight with 1,600 lumens and 5 lighting modes makes this kit perfect for camping or roadside emergencies. If you're looking for an all-in-one tool for outdoor adventures or vehicle maintenance, the BAYU Smart Kit Pro has you covered. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is DJI's lightest and most compact drone yet, weighing only 135 grams, making it ultra-portable and regulation-friendly without requiring FAA registration. This drone is ideal for beginners and casual users, featuring palm takeoff and landing, allowing you to start flying with the push of a button. Whether you're at a family gathering or hiking, Neo's AI subject tracking ensures you're always in focus, capturing stunning 4K UHD video with DJI's stabilization technology for smooth footage even in windy conditions. With multiple control options, including voice control, mobile app, or remote controller, you can fly Neo in a variety of ways, making it accessible for everyone. Its full-coverage propeller guards offer added protection, so you can confidently fly indoors or around obstacles. The DJI Neo is the perfect companion for those looking to capture high-quality footage without the complexity of traditional drones. Osmo Action 5 Pro. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is a top-tier action camera designed for content creators and adventurers alike. Featuring a 113-inch sensor, it captures stunning low-light footage, making it perfect for nighttime activities like biking or hiking. The new 4nm chip enhances subject tracking, ensuring smooth and reliable framing for fast-moving objects, while 360-degree horizon-steady technology guarantees stable footage, even in the most intense conditions. This action camera also boasts vibrant dual OLED touchscreens, providing crisp visuals for easy control and playback. With up to 4 hours of continuous battery life, you can record your adventures without worrying about frequent recharging. The professional-grade audio system, including direct connectivity with the DJI mic, makes it an excellent choice for vloggers and solo creators. Whether you're capturing urban nightscapes or extreme sports, the Osmo Action 5 Pro delivers top-notch performance every time. DJI Power 1000. The DJI Power 1000 is a game-changer in portable energy solutions. Known for their drone technology, DJI brings the same reliability and premium performance to this power station. With fast charging capabilities, you can recharge the Power 1000 in just 70 minutes using grid power or in 80 minutes with solar panels, ensuring you're always ready for your next adventure. Its dual 140-watt USB-C output efficiently charges high-powered devices like laptops and cameras, making it an excellent companion for travelers and creators. Operating at a whisper-quiet 23 dB, it's perfect for serene environments like campsites or studios. The LFP battery guarantees a service life of up to 10 years, with DJI's Advanced Battery Management System, BMS, providing safety from overvoltage and overdischarge. Whether you're charging DJI drones or your everyday tech essentials, the DJI Power 1000 ensures you stay powered up. Plus, with up to 5 years of warranty, you can rely on this power station to meet your energy needs with peace of mind. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 takes smartphone videography to the next level. With Active Track 6.0, it automatically follows your subject, ensuring smooth, professional quality footage even in dynamic settings. The addition of Apple Watch control allows for remote operation, making it easy to capture moments without touching your phone. Its 3-axis stabilization ensures buttery smooth shots, eliminating shaky footage for high-quality results. This lightweight, foldable gimbal weighs just 309 grams, making it portable and easy to carry for on-the-go filming. The built-in extension rod lets you experiment with creative angles, perfect for vlogging or selfies. OM6 also features shot guides, which offers intuitive shot suggestions for effortless filmmaking, even for beginners. The side wheel adds a cinematic touch with precise focus and zoom control. Whether you're a new parent capturing memories or a content creator looking for dynamic footage, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 helps you shoot like a pro. Mini Oxygen Tank. The Mini Oxygen Tank is a compact and reliable companion for divers and underwater explorers. Weighing only 1 kilogram, it allows for 6 to 15 minutes of continuous diving at depths up to 10 meters, making it accessible for beginners. Its aviation-grade aluminum body is both pressure and corrosion-resistant, offering durability and long-lasting performance in various environments. The tank inflates quickly, either manually with 400 to 600 pumps or using a scuba adapter in as little as 7 seconds. This ease of use ensures you spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your dive. The food-grade silicone bite provides a safe and comfortable experience, while the luminous gauge lets you monitor gas levels in real time. With 2 oxygen cylinders, a high-pressure pump, and a range of accessories included, this mini oxygen tank offers a reliable solution for short dives, ensuring you can explore underwater with confidence. Echo Frames. The Echo Frames are a sleek and functional pair of smart glasses designed for hands-free convenience. Equipped with Alexa, these glasses allow you to make calls, listen to music, control smart home devices, and more, all with simple voice commands. The open-ear audio design ensures that sound is directed to your ears while minimizing what others around you can hear, maintaining privacy in public settings. Echo Frames are lightweight, splash-resistant, and available in various lens options, including prescription-ready, polarized, and blue light filtering lenses. With a battery life that supports up to 2 hours of talk time or 14 hours of mixed use, they are ideal for all-day wear. The VIP filter allows you to customize which notifications come through, ensuring you stay focused on what's important. Plus, with built-in support for Google Assistant and Siri, Echo Frames integrate seamlessly into your tech ecosystem, offering convenience and control in a stylish package. These 12 next-level gadgets offer a mix of practicality, innovation, and fun, making them perfect for anyone looking to elevate their everyday life. Whether it's a smart device that boosts your productivity or a cool gadget that makes your home more efficient, each of these Amazon finds is worth adding to your collection. Don't miss out on these exciting gadgets that are sure to make your life easier, more enjoyable, and just a bit more futuristic. Ready to experience these next-level gadgets for yourself? Click the links to shop our top Amazon picks today and discover how these innovative products can improve your daily routine.